Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Miss World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this thread work beautiful design using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the markings. We need to give the flower markings like this. It's a freehand pattern, so I have to mark 5 petals flower like this. If you are not comfortable directly marking like this, mark it on the paper, then transform it on the fabric using the carbon paper or any tracing paper. Extending the design further with the expansion of leaves like this. It could be 3 leaves or 5 leaves depending upon the fabric and the requirement. You can customize the design. And now I'd be using antique bronze Zardosi string. This is of very small size, and here I'd be using cotton silk thread 9 number hemming needle for the stitching of Zardosi. And firstly the circle will be elaborated with the Zardosi string and giving an invisible stitches on it. As this was the pattern of thread work designing, I would be using anchor thread which is of yellow color, and this is of 12 strands I would be using. You can use any types of silk threads, embroidering threads for this designing. And here I would be giving French knots in the center of this circle. Here I would be using 12 strands to give the much more volume, and as this is the thread work pattern, the volume has to be maximized, so I would be using 12 strands. It's up to you. You can use 10 strands, 8 strands, or you can go up to 15 strands as per your requirement. The complete filling will be done with the French knots. Further extending this design using this 12 strands and also using the sequins to create the petals. These are antique gold sequins of very small size, and here I'd be using long French knot stitch with the joining of this sequence, just inserting in the needle with the French knot. So each petal will have 3 lines of long French knot like this with the sequence. The line which I mark is only for the reference, so ensure all the 3 lines will have the same size. This is how each petal has to be created with 3 lines for the filling. The materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops, or also the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. Please check out. And once completed, the flower would look like this. Further extending this with the leaf work, the center line will be stitched with the thread work, so only the center line of the leaf with this line stitch. And for the leaf border creating, here I'd be using antique sugar beads. This is how it looks. It's something like the bronze color, and inserting in the needle like this at a time. One side will stitch, later will stitch to another side. So inserting 10 to 12 beads at a time and giving an invisible stitches on it to secure, and to keep it in place like this we have to give an invisible stitches on it. Now this one side has done, I would be giving the same joining of beads to another side to complete this leaf border. And here I'd be showing only 3 leaves on both the sides, but you can also extend this design with the 5 leaves. This is how each of the leaf has to be created with this sugar beads. the stem work will be extended with this Zardozi string. I cut accordingly of this size and just inserting in the needle, giving the stitches for the joining. And once completed, the flower with the leaf work would look like this. The completed pattern of the blouse would look like this. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.